Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DocuSign to send policy forms to clients step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. Log into your DocuSign account using your credentials. On the dashboard, locate the New button or the Start a New Envelope option. Click on Send an Envelope to begin the process. In the New Envelope window, you will see options to add documents. Click on the Upload button to select the policy forms you want to send. Once your documents are uploaded, you can arrange them as needed. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's email addresses. In the Add Recipients section, choose Signers from the drop-down menu. Enter each client's name and email address in the respective fields. If you have multiple clients, you can add them one by one in this section. Upon adding all recipients, specify the signing order if necessary. Now, proceed to the Message section to customize your email message. Type a professional message to explain the content of the policy forms. Next, set the signing options for each document. Click on the document to select fields for signing, dates, or initials. Position each field in the document where you want your clients to sign. Once all fields are set, review the configuration for accuracy. After confirming the details, click on the Send button to dispatch the envelope. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the envelope has been sent. You can monitor the status of the envelope in your DocuSign dashboard. Check the Manage tab to see if recipients have viewed or signed the documents. After all clients have completed signing, you can download the finalized documents. Congratulations, you have successfully configured DocuSign to send policy forms to clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.